Over the last couple of weeks, I have done videos on foreclosure. Foreclosure is a distressed sale, meaning that the seller is in financial distress. There is another type of distressed sale, and that is a short sale. A short sale is when there's more owed on the house than what its current value is. We don't see those too much anymore, especially in this market. However, last week we had a client ask us about a home, and it was a short sale. So surprise, surprise, there was one out there. If you would like more information on distressed properties, please reach out to Bob and me. And in the meanwhile, like our video, subscribe to our page, and I'll see you again next week.